Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Chicago Sun-Times Studio Kitchen. I'm Linda Yu, and this is Food We Love. It's a video series where we explore everything we love about food, especially what it means to our families. And now, joining us today is somebody who knows a whole lot about love, and especially about family, too. Her name is Vicki Reese. She's all about moms and families with her very inspirational digital community, and she calls it the Joy of Mom. And all of us moms know what that means, okay? The joy of mom. So millions of moms and others have come to love spending time with Vicki to share, to celebrate, sometimes to commiserate, most of all to inspire one another. So tell me about starting out Joy of Mom. It's huge now, but you had no idea when you started.
It's huge now.
Yeah.
I have to tell you, I remember when we went from 52 to 53 friends. It was 2:30 in the morning, and I started doing the happy dance in my bathroom. Like, I need a life. When I started making children's products, this was in the height of Power Rangers, Ninja Turtles, negative messages embedded in everything and surrounding kids. And I'm just not one to sit on the sidelines, and I needed to do something. I had no tools, no resources, no capital behind me, but never underestimate a mom on a mission, a parent on a mission. I started making these products, no marketing money, anything, and they became #1 sellers everywhere they went.
What kind of products?
So I had 2 software games, family music. It was just that moms told their friends who told their friends, and kids loved it. This was before social, this was before viral. So what happened, mom said to me, what books do you recommend? What products? What other toys? What other this? And there was something so much higher going on. I embraced it.
As I look at your site, I think sometimes it's the moms that go through heartbreak. It's the moms who don't know what to do. It's the moms who suffer loss are the ones that keep you going because they want to talk to someone, right?
They want to talk to somebody. If somebody says, what is the most important thing?
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. All right.
I never want anyone to feel alone. And I am amazed how many moms, whether it's Megan in Centennial, Colorado, it's Amy in Ontario, Canada, that had 4 miscarriages. I mean, I get their announcements. Sorry.
It's okay.
They send me with their mom their ultrasound pictures to announce it. I mean, it's amazing. One of our friends, her dog Shadow passed, oh not Shadow, Shadow's her new doggie, her dog passed away in November, and it just, it strikes such a chord. And she said, she didn't get the support she got from her family. But she did in your community. She did in our, and that's what's so beautiful. Everybody says it's me, it's them, it's not me. Everybody calls it a tribe. And one time somebody was writing live streams and there was a corrective type, autocorrect, and it was love streams. So everybody calls them. So I always say people, when you're on and you hear love streams, it's just, it's really
live
part
stream,
of the fabric of our lives. And on this journey, when you're, it's the same thing with when I was doing my children's products. The gift and blessing of having children. I had 2 miscarriages, then I couldn't get pregnant, then knock on wood, thank God everything was fine. Now I have 3.
I have 3. Right?
And they work with me and they help me. So I see, like with your daughter, it's the joy.
I know. We can tell everybody, my daughter is sitting right out there and she's helping today. Yay! She's an actress, but she's in between shooting scenes right now, so she's here helping us. Anyway,
thank you for helping us.
Anyway, not to be so personal, right?
It's all about being personal.
So we're in the kitchen, and we want to talk about cooking, and we can stop crying.
I can stop. I'm like crying.
So you come from a family of mostly everybody cooking.
Everybody. I mean, my mom would think she's a good cook. She cooked with love, which made her a good cook. She tried. My dad was phenomenal. My brother's phenomenal. My 2 sisters are phenomenal. And my mom was pretty good.
And there's something special here too, which is something that people start their day with. You want to start the day right, and we're talking coffee here. So it's inspired by Joy of Mom, with your tendency to say, I'm not going to take something status quo. I'm going to jazz it up a little bit, right?
This is jazzed up times to the X.
It is,
and it's delicious, and everything is super healthy. And it's also, I was, by the way, putting butter in coffee, but I switched. If you've heard of any of that, first it's like butter, ghee butter in coffee. I switched to brain octane oil. So should we start?
Brain octane oil, huh?
Yes. Is that wild?
Yeah, it is.
This
so let's
very
start.
Healthy for us. So we're going to put this on, and I'm going to right away
pour. Get it to medium.
All right. So here's what we're doing first. This is I love almond milk, so I don't use regular dairy, and so I do 3 types of almond milk. This one is a straight up almond milk. Everything's organic. Thank you. This one is coconut almond milk.
Oh.
Okay.
So
All
I want a
right,
sense
thank you.
of.
Is that wonderful?
Okay, yeah, it is. It is.
This
Okay.
is, I'm just going to do a few splashes of this. This is a creamer, vanilla or hazelnut.
Oh.
And it's by the same company,
Okay.
same brand that makes this. And I always look for what's healthy, what's the best.
Okay.
Our friends tell us to. As much as you want to put in. I just put in 4
Okay.
spoons.
So, like, if you don't particularly care for hazelnut, you would put less
Vanilla.
in. Okay.
Yes,
Or just
or
use
you
the
would
vanilla.
use vanilla
Or you
or-
dump the whole thing in.
Or you dump the whole thing
Okay.
in.
Or you can dump the whole thing in.
And
Okay.
there's lots of creamers out there, but
Yeah.
to have a healthy one that's actually good for
Yeah.
you is what
Okay.
you need to do.
Now, what's this?
One of my favorites, my husband, I just have to share, prefers plain turmeric chai tea. I prefer, plain ginger chai tea.
Okay.
I put turmeric ginger.
Insert, okay.
So there's a lot. Can you believe how good this
So-
smells?
Oh.
Is that
wow?
And it gives
Yeah.
a little bit of sweetness. Put as much as you want to taste. I'm going to put
So
4 or
it's
5
tea,
teaspoons.
You brew it. It's tea with turmeric.
It's well, actually, this is what makes it wonderful. Thank you. It's a box of tea. It's those little
Right,
carton
okay,
boxes,
yes.
and it's all blended together already.
Oh, okay. All
Okay,
right.
so this is maca powder.
Maca,
Okay,
okay,
M-A-C-A.
okay.
Okay, and you'll have the recipe up.
Okay.
Put as much as you want. I'm big with quote dashes, a
Okay.
little dash.
Okay.
And the more you do this, this has been perfected for about a year and a
Okay,
half.
all right. So
Okay,
take a
this
little
is
spoon of
brain
that.
octane oil.
Okay,
Thank you.
yeah.
Okay, so this
Okay.
is, and I'm going to take 2 of them. You don't want to
Okay.
put a lot because sometimes my tummy acts
Oh,
up a little
doesn't
bit.
like it. Okay.
And usually I can do or eat
Okay.
anything.
And what's
then this is cayenne pepper. So
Pepper in your
depending-
coffee? Ooh.
The best.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to put a little less.
Because it gives
'cause
it a
it's
little kick?
Gives it a little
Or gives
kick.
it a little...
It gives it a little kick. I'm putting less. It's so good for your health too.
Okay.
I mean, it's just something about
Yeah.
cayenne.
And here's what's really good for you.
Turmeric.
I've become, yes.
I honestly put it in most things I eat is turmeric. People take turmeric capsules.
I do.
like cooking. You take it too?
I do. Mhm.
That's wonderful. One of the best and healthiest things.
Yep, it sure
And I'm going
is.
to put a little
Okay.
a
Good.
double dip of turmeric.
You can't have too much turmeric.
Can never have
Right,
too much
okay.
turmeric.
And this is cinnamon. Yes, got
Okay.
that. Yes.
All right. And
then-
I'm switching to,
A much bigger spoon, because we love this.
we love chocolate.
Okay.
This is organic dark chocolate. I actually ordered it online in a big bag. And I'm going to do 2 of these spoonfuls.
Oh,
Is this
okay.
fabulous?
This sounds like good coffee, doesn't it?
It's so
Yeah.
good. And we have our Joy of Mom coffee chat every Tuesday morning.
And you have this.
I have this,
Okay.
and I can't tell you how many times I've shared the recipe.
Yeah.
So now we're good. We could add in the coffee, which is I usually go to a local roaster.
Sure. Okay.
Organic coffee bean.
Yeah.
And it's pennies more, it's not much more.
Okay.
So it makes
All right.
it makes all the difference.
So we want
Okay,
this to be
you know
simmering?
what? I'm going to stir it up. Can you believe it's like
I
perfect
know,
timing?
it really is, yeah.
Okay. I get so
Kinda
lost
looks like
and
a
caught up in
painting,
this.
okay.
Aren't you going to? And we could just put a little coffee.
Okay.
You know, my husband puts a lot. I put a little, so I can
So
have
shall
like
I?
3 cups.
You tell me when.
Absolutely. Okay. Because you're going to have some, right? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Is that good or more?
You could put a teeny bit more. That's great.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
And I'm going to hopefully not spill because there's
Okay.
a little spout here.
Great.
I am spilling. Okay. I'm so excited you're tasting it.
Oh my God.
Wait.
Okay. I don't like coffee.
It's really good.
It's really good.
got a
And you know
chocolate.
what would be really good with this coffee? A chocolate chip cookie. You think?
Yes.
Oh,
I
surprise! Look.
think- big surprise. I'm borrowing this.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So we don't spill on ourselves.
Okay.
Keep
So we
drinking.
don't. All right. So.
Okay, so here is the deal with this. I think I'm a pretty decent cook. My daughter thinks I'm a wonderful cook.
Okay.
My boys, it's always the second day, it's like the spaghetti
Yeah,
sauce
they like
with
it.
cinnamon and
It tastes
agave.
better,
It tastes
yeah,
better.
right.
But my family, as long as I can remember,
Yeah.
requests I bring chocolate chip cookies
Oh,
to
to
any
everything,
family
huh?
gathering.
Okay.
And when I had my agency, I baked them. And I actually, for a while, Fannie Mae Candy started making chips
Yeah.
because I was baking with their candies. And I worked with the
Oh, and
owners.
you-
And
oh,
they did
okay.
that as a
So it's
surprise
great.
for me.
Oh, that's
so
so
this has
nice.
been a long time coming with these
Okay.
yummy
So
cookies.
what
Okay.
goes in this?
Okay, and this to make it very easy for everybody, I started with the Nestle's chocolate chip
Toll
cookie
House
bag.
cookie
Toll House
batter,
cookie
right,
bag.
right, okay.
With a twist, kind of a big twist. So what I do is just, you follow the ingredients, and it's all the dry ingredients
Okay.
together in
So
a bowl.
it's like the flour?
It's the flour, it's
Okay.
the baking soda, the pinch of salt. Like it's just a pinch of salt. And so it's just the
I love
dry.
to do this like TV cooks.
So it's all the dry
It's the
ingredients.
those 3 dry ingredients. Okay. And then?
in the other, it's the butter,
Okay.
It's the eggs,
The
organic.
eggs.
I like brown eggs, but organic eggs, free range, one at
Okay.
a time. And I have also that's organic sugar where it's not bleached.
Right.
And organic raw sugar,
Okay.
sugar in the raw.
Right. And
then the chips.
chips.
So after it's all blended together, and again, you just follow the ingredients. The only difference is I do 3 to 4 times the vanilla, and I
Amount of
use
vanilla.
really good vanilla.
Oh.
Again, organic. I sound like I'm on a broken record about
Yeah.
it. Madagascar or another good organic, and it's a little pricey, but it lasts a long time, and it's the difference maker. So if it calls for 1 teaspoon, I do 3 or I do 4,
Okay.
depending on my mood.
Okay. All
Okay,
right.
and it's delicious.
then
Put
you
it all
bake 'em.
together, bake them, and can we bon appetit?
Can we?
Yes.
I love. They're crispy, and there's all different rich flavors in here.
Isn't this?
And it's really good with this.
I know.
I'm a convert, right? Thanks to all of you for joining us today. And do not forget, you can follow me on social media for the latest on food we love. Also go to the Sun-Times website for Vicky's coffee and cookie recipes and a whole lot more. Bye, everybody. See you next time. For this yummy recipe and so much more, go to the Chicago Sun-Times website. The address is right here on your screen.